Presgraves. I'm with Cindy's Realty Group by Virtual Properties here in the state of Georgia. And I have here Brad Sullivan with Financial Solutions. Hey, Brad.
Hey, Cindy, how are you?
Good, and you? Hey,
Doing great.
can we talk about how can you grow money in 20 with COVID-19? I know you talked about a little bit about there are different alternatives, there's ways of making money, and with this whole uncertainty.
Yeah, well, I think it's important first that people know the three ways that money can grow, and the three categories are fixed, variable, and indexed. So fixed is like the bank, right? Very, very safe and secure, but we're not going to get much growth inside of that. Variable is the stock market, which we should average higher return over time, but the problem can be sequence. If we have that down year too close to retirement or right before we need the money, or with everything going on right now, there's obviously some risk. Then there's some uncertainty. Like, you're young, right? So there's time for money to come back. But if somebody's 60 or 70, there's not always time for money to rebound. There's a third category that addresses that. It's called fixed indexed, and it's actually through insurance companies. So you have the safety of the bank, but it's had market-like return over short and long periods of time. So again, we can do that on retirement and through insurance. And again, for me, I've got money in all three. So it's about being diversified and having, an equal portfolio. So, I mean, think about the bank, right? With fixed, we got money in there for bills and things like that. Variable, we got money in the stock market, 401ks, retirement accounts. But then we want some money that's secured too, that no matter what happens, we know that we're locked in and we're still going to get good return.
So what is the safest one out of those three, you would say, right now?
Well, I mean, the banks are safe, but if we can get good return and have the safety, then the fixed indexed options are great, right? And especially, I'm helping a lot of people roll 401ks into fixed index products, and a lot of people are putting a portion, not the whole thing, but a portion of the retirement or some of their investments into a fixed index product, again, where we can lock them in, give them a bonus, and hold on to the gains where we don't have to come back from a big loss.
Are these what are these type of are these like stocks, or how do they make their money? Is it easy to roll it in?
Yeah, I mean, to me, retirement comes down to three things. It's risk, return, and fees. So if we can remove the risk and have no fee and still market like return, if not better at times, then that's a timely conversation we're having with people. So again, it's an option. It's through insurance companies. So your money is not in the stock market through fixed index products. It's all through insurance companies. When people put money in the bank takes our money and makes money off of it. Well, the same thing happens in insurance products. They're taking these premiums and they're making money off our money, right? And they're just publishing a return off the interest. So there's a lot of, I could get pretty technical with it, but just for, the average person to learn more, we definitely have some good options available.
Definitely. And thank you for that input and all that. Is there any other things that you would mention? I mean, I understand that right now, with the uncertainty of the market and how things are going, how is it that they can actually contact you to find out more about the Roth IRA or transfer money roll in and, move in order to stop that bleeding right now?
Absolutely. And just so you know, we represent, hundreds of companies, and we have every product available. So there's a lot of great products as well inside the market that, I can help people with as well, and have business partners that have every single license available. So that's an option as well. But the best way to contact me would be on my cell phone, 404-468-0498, or on my email, bradsullivan.sfg@gmail.com.
All right. Well, thank you, Brad. If you guys can't want to get a hold of Brad, please give him a call. If not, contact me at 678-650-1425. Or if not, comment below. And if you guys have any questions and like this video, go ahead and share it. I hope we look forward to talking to you soon. Have a wonderful day.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Brad. You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.